Again, we now work to deepen Hanumanasana, or the splits. Inhale, look forward. See if you can slide the foot forward. Exhale, hip down. Point the feet. Come up onto your fingertips. Remember, it's not accessible. Use the blocks like we did for the previous variation. Now, again, let's try. Inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, stay there. Inhale, extend the arms over your head. First, interlace the fingers and hold. 1, 2, keep it engaged. 3, 4, 5. Bend your elbows and stay there. Reaching, breathing, elbow bend but not out to the side, head a little bit back, bend. Look for your foot. If you can't hold the foot, grab the strap. Left hand on the ground. Inhale, exhale, push back. Inhale, bend, exhale, push it back. Inhale, bend, exhale, push back and hold. 1, 2, steady, keep your head where it's comfortable. 3, 4, and 5. Release. Inhale, come all the way up and back to the interlaced fingers. Breathe in. And now, exhale, fold. Walk the hands forward. Long, deep breath in. Exhale, fold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Straighten the arms. Walk your hands back. We'll try a difficult exit. Curl your left toes under. Press into your hands. Inhale, slide that foot all the way back. Downward facing dog.